One last matchup. Future Awarding Awards 2018. Come on. Everybody clap. Come on. Raise your hands, everybody. Dudley Awards 2018.
Congratulations to all the winners, but obviously the finalists as well, because you're all winners overall.
So Robin, you've won our Young Achiever Award, how do you feel?
Absolutely over the moon. I really wasn't expecting it, to be honest.
Hayley, you've won the Business of the Year Award for the Dust Fairies. How do you feel?
Absolutely gobsmacked. I honestly did not expect to win. It was just an honour to be in with the finalists, to be honest, against the other two guys. It was just, yeah, it's just huge.
I feel absolutely elated, and I'm very pleased for all the people who have supported us to get to this stage and to win. Particularly to my friend Keith and my friend Cicely, who've were with us at the start and have supported us throughout.
So Derek, it's a Lifetime Achievement Award for you this evening. How do you feel?
Very good, really. It was a bit concerned because people did say to me that they sort of give Lifetime Achievement Awards out to people and they're just about to make redundant or retire. So it was a bit of a concern, but I've worked there for that's part of my life, to be honest with you, and it's a job I've always enjoyed, whatever role I've got to do.
The shortlist was very tough. I was amazed to be one of the two other people on the shortlist, and there's a lot of people working, volunteering in Dudley, so just to get on the shortlist was a lot. So very, very pleased to win and very surprised.
It's been a fantastic evening. It's been so uplifting to hear the people who've been nominated and the winners coming up and saying how good they feel about the evening, how good it's made them feel about themselves. It's been fantastic, absolutely fantastic, and the first of many, I'm sure.
And it's a good start to the vision of Dudley, which we hope will go forward. And if these awards carry on as they have, I'm sure they will have a good future. Okay.
Wow, it's been a fabulous night. We've met some wonderful people, I've had lots of positive comments, we've heard some wonderful stories about some great work that's being done throughout the borough. So all in all, brilliant, thank you.